G'day guys, Matty from Poppy Sessions Australia. Today I'm going to show you how to install an EDS scan gauge. It's pretty simple, but I'm going to show you how I've done it on my BT, and it'll only take you about 2 minutes. Let's check it out. So I'm just going to mount mine just there above the steering wheel. Seems to be the neatest spot, because down I was going to mount it down here, but I'm going to put switches in there. So mounted it up there, right in the driver's view. I've run it down beside the steering wheel. Now to get to the plug, just going to pull this. There's a little tag underneath here. Just push that back. Might need 2 hands. Push it back. That pocket will drop down, and that'll come out. So then all you got to do is literally plug it in. So go straight onto the original plug. As soon as you plug it in, it should light up. Goes through its own little process. Turn the car on, normally hurries it up a bit. There we go. It's got manifold absolute pressure, engine coolant temperature, intake air temperature, and volts in the battery, which is pretty cool. So they're pretty easy to use, easy to change. So you can go back, so that's your back button. So we go scan, DTC, and then you can reset the computer by clicking erase. It'll come up erasing, and then yeah, you'll be right to go. You've got to have the car off and on ignition, but car not started for it to erase. So, but that's pretty much it. Go back, bottom button, go back to the gauge. There we go. Now what I'm going to do is just cable tie this up underneath and make it all neat. Put the pocket back in. There we go. So anyway guys, there's the easiest scan gauge. Yes, it's from the Super Centre. Great little device, it does the job. I always prefer to run them in these new cars, especially when you've sometimes just get a simple fault that needs a computer reset and you can get it out of limp mode. Happened a lot of times in the nav, so always just carry it as a precaution. Plus you get to see what the real temperatures are. Anyway, I'll keep bringing you more videos the more I keep doing. Catch you soon.